Hi, welcome to your nervous system reset, a space to calm anxiety and restore inner balance. I'm Shelly, and welcome to this NSDR practice. If you've been feeling stressed, overwhelmed, anxious, or if sleep has been hard to come by, you're in the right place. NSDR is a term that describes deeply restorative practices just as this one. It is like a grounded meditation, a guided yoga nidra that will allow your body to get to a state of calm alertness, allowing your nervous system to reset without the need to fall asleep. This is a non-sleep deep rest practice. Studies show that NSDR supports emotional regulation, memory, sleep, and even hormone balance, all by gently activating your parasympathetic nervous system, your body's natural rest and digest mode. So go ahead, settle in, find yourself in a comfortable seat or lay down, creating a cozy nidra nest. Perhaps you want a cushy pillow under your head, a cushion under your knees, and a warm and cozy blanket for the temperature of your choosing. Maybe even an eye covering to allow you to fully soften into darkness. Allow yourself to get 1, 2, or even 3% more comfortable wiggling. This is your time to return to you. Let's begin with your heart-centered intention, a sankalpa, a heartfelt whisper from your inner being. It might sound something like, I am healing, I choose peace, or simply, I am safe to rest. There is no right or wrong way to say it. Allow it to rise from the space of your heart. Let it be simple. Let it be true. And now start to feel the weight of your body fully supported by the earth beneath you. Let go of all effort. Allow gravity to hold you. Allow my voice to wrap around you like a warm, loving blanket. Let us inhale a grounding breath through the nostrils and gently exhale through a melted jaw. Pause for a moment. Inhale a grounding breath through the nose. Pause and exhale softly through a melted jaw with a sigh. One more grounding centered breath. Deeply exhale with a sigh, knowing you have arrived, letting go of any tension in your jaw, softening through the throat, neck, spine, belly. Again, breathe in Exhale, softening even deeper. One more beautiful, expansive breath, allowing the breath to slow back to its natural rhythm, letting go as you simply observe your breath like gentle waves rolling in and out, not needing to change it, just watching, riding, relaxing. Let's begin with a journey through your body. When I say the name of a body part, gently place your awareness there. Imagine you could breathe into that space, softening it with your attention. Awareness to forehead, space between the eyebrows, eyes, right eye resting back into the right socket, left eye resting into the left socket, right hemisphere of the brain, left hemisphere of the brain as a whole, cheeks, jaw, tongue resting on the floor of the mouth, throat, neck, collarbones, shoulders, upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, palms, fingertips. Now, gently shifting your awareness to your heart center, belly rising and falling, hips, thighs, knees, shins, calves, ankles, soles of the feet, toes. Let your entire body feel held. You are seen, you are heard, you are understood. Imagine a warm, gentle, hovering light above your body. This light is soft, golden, healing. With each breath, allow this warm, loving light to trickle through the crown of your head, gently flowing over your face, neck, shoulders, down your chest, arms, fingers, hips, through legs and feet. Allow this light to rest. This is the light of awareness, the light of healing. Allow this light to wash, to cleanse, to deeply heal you. Allowing yourself to let go of all and any resistance, to soften the tension deeply relaxing. There's nothing to fix, nowhere to go, only this moment of rest. Begin to deepen your breath only slightly, feeling into the edges of your body, the floor and earth beneath you, and slowly and gently awaken your intention back into your heart. Repeat it silently now. I am healing. I am rested. I am safe. Gently awakening your fingers, your toes, perhaps a full body reach and stretch. If it feels good, maybe a yawn is in order. And as you feel ready, gently roll onto a side and pause here and receive these healing affirmations. I love you. I love you. I love you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am grateful for you. I am healing. I am healing. I am healing. Notice what you feel. Notice what's shifted. This rest is always available to you, my dear friend. Thank you for taking this time to care for your nervous system, your sleep, your soul. Until next time, my friend, rest well. The love and the light within me honors and acknowledges the love and the light within you. Namaste.